this video, I will show you on how to send money via Alipay QR code. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alipay, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier from one Alipay to Alipay or from Alipay to bank account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay account. So with that being said, let me show you. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to send money in Alipay with QR code. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on scan. The next thing you need to do is to click on album. Select your QR code. Then click on done. The money will be immediately deposited in the recipient account and cannot be recovered. To stay safe, please verify the recipient identity before making payment. Click on got it. Next thing you need to do is to enter the amount you are sending to the person. So I'm sending 640.66 yen. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on confirm transfer. Next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password. Transfer done, successful. The next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot this particular proof of payment. And I need to click on done right here. It's as simple as that. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my WhatsApp and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payment for them in Alipay. So I'm going to click on my WhatsApp right here. So here's the person right here. After they have confirmed that the account is correct, so this is my message with the person that sent me. So this is my message with the person that asked me to send them payment in Alipay. You can see our chat right here, and this is when I was contacted for the top up in Alipay. So you can see my chat with them right here, and this is their proof of payment right here. So scroll down right here. This is when I received the payment, and let me know when you make the payment, please. I will do. Then this is when I ask for the account confirmation. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to send the proof of payment to them. I'm going to select it right here, and I'll type payment done and hit on send. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to send money in Alipay via Alipay QR code payment. If this is what you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or Alipay, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.